Well, viewers, the Indian Pickleball League 2025 final promises a blockbuster finish as Mumbai Smashers take on Hyderabad Royals. And listen in to some exclusive reactions coming in from the event.
What are your thoughts, when you look at this league, the way it has been successful? What are your first thoughts?
Well, I think we've had an amazing past 1 week of pickleball here. The level of play has been exceptional. The spirit of the teams, the entire atmosphere, the quality of the broadcast. I think this league has set a benchmark for any sporting event in India. A league of this magnitude is only going to propel the growth of pickleball across India. It's a great platform that the Times has laid for Indian players. And IPA is very happy to have been a part of this and to have sanctioned this league. I know this has been the vision of Mr. Vineet Jain for the past year and a half or so, and to see it come alive like this is phenomenal.
And so what would your message be to people, who are still thinking about whether should I pick up a racket, not pick up a racket? What would you tell them?
Well, I've just come back after playing an all-star game. You can see I'm sweating. And I think I love this game, and I think all of you should pick up this game. I think it's something that's going to change your lives.
What have been your first thoughts as far as the Indian Pickleball League is concerned? It has been launched by the Times Group. What do you think about this platform?
Absolutely. I think it's a very great opportunity for all the young talents to have such a credible and authentic platform that gives you all the kind of eyeballs and promotes more national growth to the game, which is already picking up in such a huge scale. So I think this will also, I hope this will also bring a lot of international medals to our country.
I personally haven't played any sport, but just being so close and, connecting with sports, it just reminds me of how important it is to have this kind of experience in life.
The league is really interesting, really thrilling, and we are enjoying it to the max. And I never expected myself to be this invested in any league or any sport, but I am now a pickleball person and I have a pickleball fever.
I think to just be inculcating sport in your day-to-day life makes a lot of difference, and I think people should do that, because this generation and people, how technology is just taking away the time and the kids are tight. I think it's very important to just inculcate it, and I think I was never into sports, but pickleball is something which I feel is like something you can, go out with your friends, you can chill. It's an adaptable sport.
Pickleball is a sport where anybody can play it anywhere, like literally anywhere. You just pick up the paddle, you just pick up the ball, and at any age you can play because of how the simplicity of the sport is too beautiful.
Mr. Vineet Jain has truly been a visionary when it comes to ideas and everything he has done, and I think this is yet another feather in his cap, and I think it is very important that the first season was like a huge success and we had like a lot of fun. So I hope this first season leads to so many more seasons and we get to see more of international medals for India.
My colleague Karishma joins us live on the broadcast to get us a live action from the sport. And Karishma, there's a lot of excitement in the air. What's happening there?
Well, absolutely. Pratibha, Mumbai Smashers have won the inaugural Indian Pickleball League in a last these players and for the Indian Pickleball League as well, that has its first winners, which is the Mumbai Smashers.
The event promises a blockbuster finish, and I'll come back to you, Karishma, in just a moment. We have some more reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
Joining me is Harshvardhan Rane at this moment. Harshvardhan, how exciting it is that we have a league now for the sport of pickleball in India.
There's a right time for everything, and I think this is the bang-on exact right time for this sport to be absorbed into our culture and our country. And Mr. Vineet Jain has done a fantastic job by bringing it into this country and giving it this platform at the perfect time. Anything that does well, it has a connect with the audience. And why pickleball is doing so well, see, you can't just make people like something. There has to be legs in it. So I think there is definitely some qualities of the sport which if I try to pinpoint, I think it's the factor where elders and youngsters both can join this. One. Two, it is fun but also physical. So it's not just hardcore physical. I think Mr. Vineet Jain always does a fantastic job in catching the pulse of the audience, and he, because of the kind of exposure that he has given to all of us for so many years, he knows what is I don't want to call it trending, but he knows the basic pulse of the society, and he knows the texture of the society very well. We as Indians, we love celebrating things and make everything into a festivity. So yeah, laughter, fun, physicality, sweating, competitiveness, all in one.
So we have the live update coming in, and Mumbai Smashers it is. They've clinched a victory. Karishma is live with us. So Karishma, tell us all about how the battle panned out.
Well, yes, absolutely, Pratibha. It was a very, very exciting battle. 5 matches, men's singles, men's doubles, women's doubles, and then the grand rally as well. And you can see I'm right here at the court, the Mumbai Smashers players here as well, and I'm going to try and speak to them, to some of them on the live as well. Where I would, try and get their reactions. What would you want to say? You have won, the inaugural IPBL. What is it that you want to say? Amol, if I can have you here on Times Now. First thoughts winning the IPBL.
Oh, it's amazing. We were the underdog. We were bottom of the table at one point, and now winning. It's crazy. It's unbelievable.
And what do you think about the league, the IPBL, the way it has been organized and giving a platform to so many players?
Like they said, they're not competing with any pickleball league. They're competing with other sports. It is nothing like the IPBL. It's great. I'm so lucky to be part of it, part of the winning team as well. So it's been amazing.
How are the celebrations going to be?
It's going to be a party tonight. It's going to be a party tonight.
So yeah, that was Amol from the Mumbai Smashers who spoke to Times Now. Describing what this win, what winning the inaugural, pickleball league means to the Mumbai Smashers. And like he said, it is going to be a party tonight as far as Mumbai Smashers are concerned. The trophy right there, which Mumbai Smashers have won, the glittery Indian Pickleball trophy, the Indian Pickleball League trophy, the first of its kind, recognized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and the Indian Pickleball Association as well. And Pratibha, very special announcement also coming in today for the Indian pickleball players, where Duper and the IPA announced that now Duper is going to be the official ranking partner for all the IPA events. Huge boost for the Indian players as far as the sport of pickleball in our country is concerned. And you can see preparations are underway for the presentation ceremony, and the Mumbai Smashers are standing right here ready to get their medals, ready to get their awards, because they have fought very, very hard last 7 days. Like Amol was saying, that they were at the bottom of the table at one point. So from there to reach the heights and win the trophy is going to be a very, very memorable event. Let me just show you some more live visuals here. The Mumbai Smasher players doing live dhol here. Let me just try and speak to them as well and be a part of their celebrations as well. Paul is there. Paul, you are live on Times Now right now. What would you want to say? How does it feel right now? How does it feel winning? I feel amazing. We were nowhere in the league and we came out of nowhere. Thank you so much. So that is what the players are saying, that they are very, very happy. And like I was saying earlier, from being nowhere in the league to the winning position, it has been a huge moment for Mumbai Smashers, and they are enjoying it to the fullest. The visuals that we are getting to you right now, they are obviously very, very excited, and they are dancing, and they are going to dance the night away because they are the first winners of the inaugural Indian Pickleball League.
Okay, so Karishma, they had a rough start, after which there has been no looking back for them. Tell us how the entire season has been. And we're looking at the visuals as well, and it's a packed stadium.
Oh, well, Well, absolutely. Let me just show you a glimpse of how people here are standing and waiting to cheer for the Mumbai Smashers as they go ahead and receive the trophy as well. We have Mr. Kiran Rijiju also present here at the presentation ceremony that is going to take place for the Mumbai Smashers, and Hyderabad Royals also. Word for them. They played very, very well. They are the runners-up this season, but they gave it their all as well. So obviously, it's been a hugely successful season when we talk about the inaugural Indian Pickleball League, and Mumbai Smashers from the bottom of the table to the top has been a tough journey for them, but they have won this, and they won this in the Grand Rally. So obviously, they are going to be very, very happy and excited, as they should be, and this is going to be a long night of celebrations. On your screens right now, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, MD of the Times Group as well, and the trophy right there, the glittery Indian Pickleball League trophy that you can see on your screens right now, which the Mumbai Smashers is all ready and all set to pick up, and they've beaten Hyderabad Royals in the final. It was a tough match, like I said earlier, 4 matches, men's single, women's single, men's doubles, women's doubles, and then the Grand Rally, because they were 3-1 at one point, and then from there they went on to win the Grand Rally, and that's what sealed the win, the Mumbai Smashers. So it is going to be a huge night of celebrations as far as the Mumbai Smashers are concerned.
Okay, so the Indian Pickleball League 2025 finals there, and Mumbai clinching the victory. Karishma, how significant has this Pickleball League been for the sport's growth in India? We spoke about the packed crowds, but it is a sport that's really picking up across the country.
Well, yes, absolutely, Pratibha. This league has been monumental, and we have been speaking to a lot of the players and to more and more people who've come here to watch this league as well, and all they want is a season 2, and they want it bigger and better. The expectations are already high. The season 1 has been absolutely hugely successful, given the quality of the matches and the amount of matches that people were able to see in the span of just 7 days. And I can once again show you how people are right now on their feet, wanting to get a glimpse of the presentation ceremony, wanting to get a glimpse of the players, cheering for their players. Each team had their brand ambassador assigned as well. So obviously a lot to look forward to when we talk about the future of this league, and it is the association, and this league is recognized by the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. The Indian Pickleball Association is the association when we talk about the sport in India, where players can register themselves and then start playing events. And like I was talking about an announcement earlier as well, so that announcement with Duper also adds a lot of value. The fact that it happened at this historic and monumental Indian Pickleball League only goes on to tell you how important this format, this concept, this entire Indian Pickleball League has been for the sport, and this has been growing rapidly. And if one believes by what the industry is saying, then this sport is going to touch 1 million in India by 2028.
Okay, all right, Karishma, I can see a lot of activity around you. You spoke about how the event is going to take place in just a few moments from now. Any players around you or the viewers, if you can speak to them as well, because we can see there's a lot of excitement as they wait very eagerly for that presentation.
Can I ask the team to please join in as well? History has always been written by the victors, and this is a story you couldn't script, even in an epic fantasy. They were down in the doldrums till the last day of the league stage, and now they are champions of the Indian Pickleball League. It is the Mumbai Smashers.
Mumbai Smashers maintain what was theirs from the beginning, is what they would say. They had an outside chance, but they never stopped believing. They always packed belief in their kit bag. And when they arrived today as well, for one final time, one final push, they were excellent. Hyderabad 1, Mumbai 5. The difference tells you there's one team that stood tall when it mattered the most. Didn't crumble under pressure. Led by Kong Dong, Mumbai Smashers script a story which is even more fascinating than the wildest of dreams. This cannot qualify as a fairy tale. This is beyond a fairy tale. To be finishing with that glitzy trophy in hand, where 48 hours ago they were looking to book the tickets back to Mumbai. Unbelievable display. And this is pickleball gods wanting the best picklers to win.
So, Karishma, go on. We're looking at the live visuals coming in from the event.
Again. So if you need them with the trophy, then we may have to wait. Otherwise, we can call out.
Can I get one? Well, yes, the presentation just got over and the trophy was given to the Mumbai Smashers players as well, and I have been trying to speak to them, but they're obviously busy. But I have Amol here back with me. Amol, we were a little bit busy at that point in time, but now how does it feel having the trophy and winning the inaugural edition?
Honestly, I can't believe that we did it. Like I said, we were sixth, and I remember sitting on the breakfast table like the morning of our last a group match, and telling the coach and the general manager, if somehow we make it to the playoffs, we're winning the cup. So now to finally do it, it's amazing.
And let's just talk about today's match versus Hyderabad Royals. How was the momentum? 3-1, and then some tough matches, some very easy breezy matches as well. Just how do you look at the final matches today for Mumbai Smashers?
No, so their squad is really good. I mean, they have a bunch of solid players that can really hold their ground. So we all had to stay mentally in it the entire time to pull this off in, I think, surprisingly easy fashion.
And let's just talk about the league as well. What did you think of it, playing in the inaugural edition of the IPBL? What are your thoughts now that the league is over and that Mumbai Smashers are the champions?
I think it's a great platform for young Indians and a bunch of players in general just to grow. I think I've grown so much from this tournament, playing with so many players, so many different play styles. I think everyone's going to just evolve and get so much better no matter what the result is.
And what has been your favorite memory, apart from winning the league as well? What has been your favorite memory from the 7 days that you've been here and played in this inaugural Indian Pickleball League?
I think honestly, when Pearl and I won the Grand Rally in the last match of our group to secure our place, I think that was the best memory because we needed to win that really badly.
And what do you think about the scope of pickleball in India, the future of pickleball in India? Very major announcement was also made today between IPA and Duper. What do you think about that?
Oh, I think it's in India. It's just going to grow rapidly in India. I think apart from cricket, it's going to be the next big thing. I think we have so many players already, and it's been such a short time. So it's only going to get bigger and better from now.
Amol, thank you so much for speaking to us. Stop you from celebrating with your teammates. So obviously, Pratibha, the Mumbai Smasher players are very, very excited after this win. You can see they are still on that side of the court. They are waiting for some other formalities as well, after which I will get other players as well. But this has been the tournament to remember for Mumbai Smashers. Like Amol said, they were sixth at one point in time, and from there to win this league, to win the Indian Pickleball League will be very, very special for the Mumbai Smashers. We are also trying to see if we can get more and more players as well, and see if we can get more people to talk to after winning the inaugural Indian Pickleball League.
Okay, and Karishma, you made a very interesting point there.